following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Washara County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Friendship, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts, and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Washara County, including the following locations: Dakota, Richford, Coloma, and Clo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Washara, Wisconsin,